In today's video, we'll talk about one of the most exciting features brought to us by Xcode 11, the preview. The preview can be used in swiftui applications, but also in applications that are built with UIKit. We'll explore today the preview in swiftui applications and we'll see some of the features that make it so great. First of all, as we may know, preview updates instantly and we can change stuff and they are displayed in real time in the preview. And we can also add components by using the drag and drop feature from the toolbox and add them to the code. Let's see some examples of doing that. Add a VStack and we'll add a text with the name welcome, and as you can see, the preview change without rebuilding and without doing anything manually, and it was instant. Also, we can use the drag and drop feature. We'll grab a button and you'll see the button it's added to the view. It's not pretty, but it's just an example to show you that you can use the drag and drop features with the preview. Let's undo that. And I personally like writing the code and not using the drag and drop feature so much, but you can do it if you like it. As we know, the preview also returns a view, so we can apply to the content view modifiers, and there are some specific modifiers that we can apply when we are in a preview. We'll go through them. So the first one, it's environment, then we're gonna look at the preview layout, preview device and preview display name. First of all, we're gonna use the environment to display our view in a dark mode. This is done pretty easily. Let's wrap everything into a group and we'll write environment, and the key will be color scheme and the value will be light for the first one. And now let's copy paste this and we'll say dark, and as you will see, we'll have our view in dark mode also. So this is a great way to see our view in dark and light mode at the same time. Another cool modifier is the preview layout that allows us to see the content in different sizes. So first of all, let's clean up the code and then let's use the preview layout. And the preview layout has three values: device, fixed and size that fits. The default of the preview layout is device, and then it's fixed and we can give it a width and a height, let's say 300 by 500. And now we can see our view at this size, and we can also use the size that fits. When using size that fits, the preview takes the size of the view, and this is how it looks. So let's say that we want to support dynamic type, the feature introduced in iOS 7 that allows the user to change the font size across all iOS environment. We want to see how the font is displayed at all sizes, and we can do that by using the environment modifier and getting all the sizes for the font that are available to the iOS system. So let's go and write a for each. And inside the for each, we'll look for the content size category and we'll select from here all classes. This will return an array of all the sizes that are available, and as an ID we'll say self. We'll call this size. Okay, and here we'll use the environment modifier, and the key will be size category, and the value will be our size. We'll see multiple views with different sizes, and yes, it works. So as we scroll, the size of the text grows. And as you can see, for some of the sizes we need to update our views. With this done, we can clean up the code and just display our content view. Okay. The last modifier is preview device. This allows us to preview the view on different devices. So we'll say preview device, and we'll want to preview this using an iPhone 7. We could also do a for and an array of devices, but for the sake of the example, we'll just copy a few times the content view, and we'll use also an iPhone 8 and maybe an iPhone 10. And now if I scroll, you can see I have the iPhone 7, the iPhone 8 and the iPhone 10. To make the previews more readable, we're gonna use the preview display name, and we'll paste the iPhone 7, iPhone 8 and iPhone 10 as a display name. This is really strange because it's supposed to work. Let me try add the preview before the device. Oh well, I think this is a bug, because this is supposed to work. As you can see, the display name appears but goes away when the preview is loaded. I guess this could be a bug, I don't know, but this is how you use the display name modifier. So with this said, without writing too much code this week, I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe to get more news about my videos. Until the next time, I wish you all the best.